Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about how to turn pictures into stickers with printable vinyl sticker paper. Now, here's what you're going to need to print out your images and turn them into stickers. Glossy printable vinyl or photo sticker paper will work so we can print our images on a high quality surface. You're also going to want to have a desktop or laptop handy, and then we are going to use scissors to cut these out, or you can use a cutting machine if that's what you have. This is a Cricut Explorer 3, which we have a tutorial about on our channel. We're going to want to have an inkjet or laser printer. Both work with Royal Elements printable vinyl, which is nice. And in this case, we used our HP Color LaserJet Pro. Now, we're going to first remove the copy paper, the regular paper, from the printer, and then we're going to insert one sheet of glossy printable vinyl. So take that out of the packaging. It's usually going to be shiny side up, but each printer is different, so pay attention to those settings. Next, we're going to select an image and edit it. This is optional but highly recommended. We're using Canva here, and I'm going to size my image appropriately, which is roughly the size of an Instagram post, which should be square. You can just print a regular image, but it's recommended to upload a file from your computer to Canva, and that way you can make the image pop a little bit more and have it a little bit higher quality. So select, resize, and edit the image. You can select that edit button. You can add filters or adjust the image settings. If you're lazy, like sometimes I am, you can just auto adjust. I didn't like how it turned out. It made it darker, so I undid that, and then I changed the most important things, which are brightness, vibrance, and saturation. So I turned all of those up, and you can see the image starts to look a little more colorful, and Mr. Zane here looks a little bit cuter. So you can resize the image if needed. So I'm going to blow this up a little bit, and then you'll download it. It's highly recommended to download as a PNG file. That will get the highest resolution print and the best quality, so that you can print this out on your sticker paper. So you're going to want to select your printer and adjust the settings. Very important here, select best quality, and then a heavy glossy is what I used, so the printer knows what to look for. So check your printed image for quality. In this case, this looks exactly like how we printed. High resolution here and very vibrant. So we're gonna next cut and laminate our stickers. This is optional but highly recommended for waterproofing. We used our Royal Elements laminating sheets. You can find that on our shop page or in the description. So we're just going to cut this image out with scissors. You could also opt to use a cutting machine, let's say if you're a small sticker business or just had that option. And here are some images of Zane. He was so cute, and I want to remember him, so I'm going to put him on my water bottle. So we're going to laminate this because my water bottle might get messy and wet, and so I'm outlining it here, cutting within the lines, and then I'm going to just peel off one part. Take your time with the laminate. You do not want air bubbles. That will kind of mess up your sticker quality. And I'm observing it here, and it looks pristine. It looks perfect. So it's waterproof, high resolution, and all we have to do now is peel off and stick Mr. Zane onto the water bottle. So you're going to want to make sure that the image gets flattened out, so there shouldn't be any air bubbles underneath. And then you're going to want to double take and make sure that it looks great. In this case, it does. Thank you so much for watching. Check out some of our other videos on our channel. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.